To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon.
How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. This video I will be explaining about the Black Friday event. As you guys know, that event is really important in FUT because we do get a lot of promo packs released during that time, and when promo packs get released, when a lot of people supply the market with cards, there is a good time to buy. Now, the latest events and what happened in the past years before the Black Friday period, it is that we basically expect some of the cards that are best to be invested in to drop before the event actually happens. Now, what am I talking about here? If you're subscribed on my Patreon, if you're in my Discord room, you guys will probably be able to get into every single investment that I will make. And I have made a lot, and I mean like a lot of profit in the past years with this. But yeah, also if you do your own research, I'm gonna tell you straightforward here, the best ones to buy for the Black Friday period before the actual Black Friday period drops is the Team of the Week cards that actually are not supplied anymore and that they are out of packs. So basically, if you go and buy the Team of the Week, so we have, for example, Martial, Arnautovic, anyone in the next potentially 2 weeks, there's gonna be a low point for them, and you will basically be able to sell them in the rise of the market after the Black Friday period, after everybody's selling off. Because right now what's happening is that a lot of people are reading these tweets, are watching the videos from traders and investors, and are seeing that sell your cards, Black Friday is coming here. Now, if you sold when I told you to sell, that was like the highest point of the market. If you watch my videos, if you haven't subscribed yet, drop that sub button. We have nailed it, the time to sell, and just follow the trends that I'm doing. You should be fully liquid right now. Thursday, tomorrow is the last day. I want you guys to sell most of your stuff because in the next 2 weeks there's going to be a lower point than it is right now to buy these cards, and we will monitor the market daily, see when that point is, and I will basically tell all my subscribers which players we should go in, because I often suggest to go with different cards, not just put all your money in one basket. You need to diversify your investments to get the best results out of it. And basically this is what we're gonna do. If you're on your own, if you're not subscribed, you can do this as well. I'm guaranteeing you the past Team of the Week cards who are getting lower right now, there's gonna be a point to buy them and they're gonna go high. They're just gonna go up, up, up after the Black Friday period. So if you guys wanna go and invest in those, I think that's the smartest move to make. I'm seeing a lot of people asking about gold cards, when to rebuy team or something like that. If you guys want to rebuy your team, just go for when potentially if the market hits really low 1 week before the Black Friday is here, maybe on a Sunday, that's the time to buy your team back. But I do think since the supply has been so hard this year, as you guys see a lot of SBC being released, when the SBC gets released, there's a lot of market panic. Player prices go really low, and I do think that the Black Friday this year can have more impact than it had in the previous years. So basically, if you're looking to buy any high valued, high rated gold cards, you might want to wait for that more supply. There might be a better time during the Black Friday period for you guys to buy these cards. If you're looking to buy into icons, I do think those are pretty rare. Not the cheapest icons, who I think they're still floating around 600K right now, just because they're needed for the SBC, for the icon SBC. But basically, all of the cards that are right now gold and higher rated and more in demand, and you guys can actually exploit that, and maybe at the higher supply go and buy them. I do think Friday will be the great day to also, on the 23rd, of course, when the Black Friday is released, that will be a great day to also buy the current Team of the Week from Black Friday. I do think into Thursday, they will go up a lot. This is the trend that happened the past 2 years. Like the actual Team of the Week that was in packs during the Black Friday period, they went really low on the Friday and they start going up on to Thursday, and Thursday they kind of reached almost their peak point, and that's when you need to sell. You need to get out before Thursday, because too many people start investing, hyping them up, saying, yo, these cards were too cheap, we need to get in. And basically when they start buying them, they kind of raise their price, and the normal casual players also see their price going up, so they just buy off of the market, causing the whole inflation of their prices. Now, come Thursday, a lot of investors start pushing those prices back down because they want to start selling off, and when they start selling off, they push them really low. So it will be a great method during Black Friday to be liquid and to sell some of those cards going into Thursday. It is riskier. Every year the market is different, so I just want you guys to be safe, and it's the best method right now, as I said, is buying old Team of the Week cards in the next 2 weeks from previous Team of the Week cards, of course, into the Black Friday period, and then sell it maybe when the Black Friday period is here, because if there is panic buying, as we saw it, we call it fear of missing out, like when someone wants their card, maybe that they sold, and see them going so much up in value, they start buying like crazy. We saw this in the past years on Inform Gray. He went to crazy values from 60, 70K to like 280K. Those were just mad deals that we made and profits. But if we see any of these sort of patterns, I want you guys to sell at that very moment. And it's possible that we will see that. It's possible that on some players, we will be able to check their prices going so much up that the fear of missing out will just make us great profit. Now, guys, as always, if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'm gonna provide another video I'm filming right now after this one that I'll release in the next 2 days. If you're new, subscribe to this channel. And of course, if you want to support on Patreon, now is the time to do so, because if you have a lot, and I mean a lot of coins, we can do it, like we can do amazing profit right now in the next 2 weeks. We're gonna go in, buy. So for the next 3 weeks, we're planning to make a lot of profit. And also, like, the next video that I'm gonna release is gonna be talking about what you can do in this period where you should stay actually liquid. Don't invest in cards, wait for the market to go low to buy and then to sell. So basically, I kind of made a structure between days when to buy someone and sell someone in the next video. So subscribe for that if you're new to the channel. And thank you again. Drop the questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.